every watching my video. I'm 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 into the Joss Island. I don't not know what is name because I'm just level 115. And if you see this boss, she's level 120. So I think oh, she attacked me. I need to fight. If you got, if you see my level guys, just comment here. Who, who's who know my level? I will give fruit, whatever fruit. Just, just say your name into the comment section. I mean, the username comment in the comment section. So I give you the okay. I'm killing this boss. So, what? Why you kill me? What's the problem? Why? What is problem to me, bro? Why you kill my hey? Bad, bro. So bad. Hey, someone kill my enemies. Oh shit. You guys, really ending my video. Okay. If if you see the if you see the killing my enemies, comment in the comment section. Hey guys, this is my end. Bye bye.